Today we will tell you how to make the introduction video of your YouTube channel. Stay connected and watch the full video so you don't miss any important part. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe my channel to see future videos. First of all, what you need to know the application Kinemaster on your mobile phone. Just download Kinemaster from Google Play Store. For YouTube intro video you need to select the aspect ratio to 16:9. On the next screen you have to select the background for your intro video. Press the button of image on top left of the screen and select what background color you required. In my case I will choose black color. Now you need to write the text of your channel introduction. Press the layer button and press T to write the text which you want. In my case I will write my channel name for Raj World. Now you need to set the size of your text accordingly and choose the font style you want by pressing the button AB. Select any of your required style and choose the animation as per your requirement. Go to the Animation button and select the animation. I will select Slide Right. Now go the overall animation and select the flicker style animation. You can edit the style by inserting the outline of any color you want. I will choose yellow color. Now press the three dots button and choose duplicate option to copy the same text which you entered before. Now go to the layer button and select the mirroring option to use the mirror effect of your copied text. Place the mirrored text as below the original text and save the project.